Hello again, this is Maurya and I'm learning low level design from the very basics and today we are going to talk about exceptional handling. So what is exceptional handling? It is nothing but the mechanism that handles our error during the runtime, and you can read about it why it is important. So mainly we talk of three things here: try block, catch block, and the finally block. In the try block, the code mi- in the try block we write the code that might throw an error. The catch block catches that error, and we can write our desired messages. And then comes the finally block. Here we try to close our resources that has been utilized in that try block. And finally block always executes. There are also throws and throw keyword. You can read about it. Can create our own exceptional handling classes. And then we talk of generics. So what are generics? Generics are basically a way how we can write type safe and reusable code. It works in the compile time. I have written it here wrong because when we write the code itself, then at that time itself we can find out what error we are getting in our code. One most common example of what generics are is we can create strings, uh, an array of string and an array of integers, and we are using the same function add in order to add the numbers also and the strings also. So this is the classic example of what generics are. I can create my own generics as well. Here is the method. Read about it. And yeah, the last topic that I have read is file handling. Here I can file handling is basically I can read or write on a particular file, and it is very important because it helps to manage loggings, configurations, and stored data. And these are the older ones that has been used in previous versions of Java, but currently we use path module. And one important thing is that whenever we are doing something, some operations on file, I have to make sure that I either flush it or close it so that my resources does not get utilized after my work is done. So that's it for today. Bye bye.